ending. Okay, let us start the next part. That is, in the last class we have seen the equilibrium of the rigid bodies. Here we have seen the what is equilibrium, what are the types of equilibriums, correct? And also we have seen the Leibniz theorem, and we have seen the problems of the single bodies. Okay, only one body is how to find out the unknown reactions by applying the Leibniz theorem. We have seen in the last class. Okay, and also we have taken if there is a two objects, okay, and it is subjected to any number of forces, how to determine the normal reactions. So in this problem there are two objects or two cylinders which are connected to each other. Okay, so in this case how to apply the Leibniz theorem? Is it audible everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so in order to apply the Leibniz theorem, what was the necessary conditions? What are the necessary
Number
conditions?
of forces should be 3.
Yes, all the forces should be acting on the at the one point. That is, forces must be concurrent forces. Body should be equilibrium. Next, third point is the how many forces? There should be only three forces. Okay, so in this problem there are two cylinders. So you have to solve this problem by considering Leibniz theorem as well as by considering resolution of forces. Okay. So you have to select one cylinder in such a way that which is subjected to minimum number of unknown forces. Okay, क्या बोल रहे हैं? So you have to select a one object which is subjected to minimum number of unknown reactions. So consider this is a cylinder 2. Okay, this is cylinder 2. How many contact surfaces are there? At a D point, at a B, at C, and again there is weight of the cylinder. Means there are total 4 forces. How many are unknowns in this 4 forces? RB, RC, RD. So 3 forces are unknown. Okay. So coming to the next one more cylinder, first cylinder. So this cylinder is subjected to how many forces? One reaction from the RA, one reaction from the RB, and again there is weight of the cylinder. Means first cylinder is subjected to 3 forces. Second cylinder is subjected to 4 forces. Where we can apply the Leibniz theorem? For the first cylinder or second cylinder?
First.
For the first cylinder we can apply. So whenever there is a problem on cylinders like 2 cylinders or 3 cylinders, you have to select a cylinder in such a way that must be subjected to only 3 forces. Okay, in this problem the first cylinder is subjected to 3 forces. One is weight of the cylinder, next one is RA reaction and RB reaction, among which how many are unknown? Unknown kitna hai? 2. RA and RB are unknown. Okay, so if there are 2 unknowns from the Leibniz theorem, we can find out RA and RB. Again, you have to come for the cylinder 2. Okay, this problem we have solved in the last class. That is up to this much. Cylinder 1, okay, and cylinder 2. So FBD of cylinder 1. So this is the FBD. So how to draw this one? FBD कैसे draw करने का? Yes, this is okay. This reaction is RB. RB, correct? This reaction is how much? RA.
RA.
This plane is making an angle. How much it is?
30 degree.
So whenever plane is making an 30 degree, then RA is, this is RA, correct? This RA is making an angle. How much it is? How much? That is 60. So means your plane angle and reaction angle दोनों मिलके कितना होने का? That should be 90 degree होने का.
90.
Okay. So it means this RA is making an angle that is equal to 60 degree. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then again there is this is plane. Okay, the plane is making an angle 30 degree. Whenever plane is making an angle 30 degree and these 2 cylinders are same radius or diameter, okay, the reaction is always reaction is like this. This reaction RB is exactly parallel to the plane. Okay, and hence this reaction is also making an angle. How much it is? This is parallel to this, that is 30 degree. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay, when I resolve this free body, So how I will write? It is RB is going in this direction. RB is going in this direction. RA is going towards the left side. So RA is going towards the left side. And weight is acting downward direction. So weight is acting downward direction. Okay. So now this is RB. Okay. So RB is making angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal, na? With respect to vertical. Okay. How much it is total?
120.
That is 90 degree plus your 30 degree. Total it is 120 degree. Then this RA is how much it is? It is making an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Correct? Na? So when it passes through the center, it is making 60 degree here. Again with respect to vertical, how much it is?
150.
150.
150.
Then remaining. So this is the remaining one. So this
90.
360 minus these two here, so how much it is?
90.
90 degree.
90.
Is it clear, everyone? For
Yes, sir.
FBD of cylinder. Okay. Then from by applying Lami's theorem, we got RB and we got RA. And weight of the cylinder, how much it is? 1000 or 500?
500. 500.
500.
500 Newton. Okay. What was the RA value? Yes. Please mute
120.
yourself. All of you mute yourself. Roll number 30. Vikram, please mute yourself. Okay. What is the value of RA?
433.10.
113?
433.01.
433.01
Yes, 433.
0.01.
Newton.
Newton. Okay. Then what is the value of RB?
250 Newton.
250.
250 Newton.
250 Newton. Okay. 250 Newton. So सभी को clear है RA and RB?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what I will do? Okay, so this is a okay. First one is over. Okay, that is for the from the first cylinder. First cylinder में कितना है? Unknowns कितना है? Unknowns are
Three.
only two. First cylinder में unknowns are two. RA and RB we found out. Okay, next is coming to the cylinder 2. Okay, in this cylinder 2, how many unknowns are there? First one is
Three.
RC. Okay, that is RC1. Then there is a RD. Then there is a RB. But this RB is already found out, correct? That is 250 Newton. 250 Newton. And there is a weight W.
Wait.
Okay, again this can be written it as this RD is going horizontal direction. So I will draw RD in this fashion. This is RD. Okay, again there is W, weight is acting downward direction. So I will draw weight is acting downward direction. Okay, then RC is going in this direction. So RC I will draw like this. And RD is passing in this direction. So I will draw RD in this direction. Okay, so afterwards I will write their angles also. What is the angle? This is what? RD. Okay, this weight is acting downward, that is 500 Newton. Then what is this one? This is RC, correct? No, this is RC. So what is this one? This is RB. I know value of RB is equal to, that is 250. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with respect to horizontal, how much is RB making angle? See, here you have seen RB is making an angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal, correct? When you are considering
sir.
like this, so with respect to this angle, this is how much it is? That is also 30 degree. Okay, so this is making angle 30 degree with respect to horizontal. Then what about the RC? RC is making an angle how much? RC and RA both are parallel to each other. Okay, this is how much it is? How much it is?
60.
That is equal to 60. Means RC is 60 degree. So here 60. Okay, this RB is how much it is? Here it is 30 degree. So RSC is we make an angle 60 degree with respect to horizontal. Is it clear, everyone? RC
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
RB.
sir.
Okay. Now you have to apply your composition of forces. Okay. Composition. General method. Composition of forces. Okay. How many okay, equilibrium equations? Do you know equilibrium of equations? Sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and sigma m is equal to 0. Okay. So how many equations are there? I have 3 equations. Moment pakad ke. So if you leave moment for the concurrent forces, what are the conditions for the concurrent forces? Yes, I have told equilibrium conditions for the concurrent forces only 2. That is sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0. ये दोनों 0 है तो resultant will be automatically 0. For the non-concurrent forces, there are 3 conditions. Sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, sigma m is equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So by equilibrium of concurrent forces, okay. What is sigma fx is equal to 0 and sigma fy is equal to 0. Okay. अभी इसमें मैंने ये इक्वेशन सिलेक्ट करने का फ्रॉम विच आई कैन फाइंड आउट द अननोन. ओके, एक इक्वेशन से एक अननोन फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सी सिग्मा fx इज इक्वल टू 0, rd आएगा, rc आएगा, rb आएगा. इनमें से कौन कौन सा अननोन है? rd इज अननोन, rc इज अननोन. मींस देयर आर 2 अननोन्स. वो एक ही इक्वेशन से फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द सिग्मा fy. सिग्मा fy में कौन कौन सा आता? rb you will get rb is known, w is known, and rc is unknown. You can get rc value. First you take f sigma fy equal to 0. It means in this equation we are having only one unknown. Sigma fy में only one unknown है. कौन सा है? rc. So that you will get the rc value. After finding the rc value, go for sigma fx equal to 0. So that you will get rc value also. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
start. So first we have to take sigma fy is equal to 0. Fy is equal to 0. So sigma fy. Is it will you apply rd? rd apply करते sigma fy में. What is sigma
नहीं,
fy?
sir.
Yes, all of you
No,
concentrate.
man.
All of you concentrate.
sir.
Okay, all of you concentrate. So what is sigma fy means? That is algebraic sum of all the vertical forces along the vertical direction is equal to 0. rd is purely horizontal, making
Horizontal.
an angle 0. Okay, cos sin 0 is equal to 0 हो जाएगा. इसके लिए I will neglect this one. Coming to this one, rc का vertical component. So vertical component कितना आएगा? That is moving upward or downward?
Upwards.
Upward. That is rc. What is the value of sin theta? Theta कितना है? Sin 60.
60.
This is it positive or negative? Force
Positive.
moving in upward
Negative.
direction.
हाँ, upward
Upward
का
direction.
positive.
Positive.
Positive. Okay, हो गया. Force में distance नहीं consider किया. So there are some students who are having confusion. Moment आया तो distance consider करने का. Moment नहीं आया तो just forces consider करने का. Sigma fy we are doing. Fy means forces. So this is force हो गया. Okay. Next coming to the next force. What is this one? RB. RB is acting downward direction or upward direction?
Downwards.
So downward. Downward is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. What is the value? RB का value कितना है?
200.
250. 250 into how much is the angle? 30
Sin
degree.
30.
Okay, that is sin 30. Yes, please mute yourself. Whenever class is going on, you are not supposed to unmute. If you have any doubt, you have to unmute and talk to me. ऐसे मैं unmute करके नहीं बैठने का. It will become disturbance to the entire class. Okay. So RB का हो गया. Next is there is a weight of the cylinder. Okay. This 500 Newton is acting downward direction. So how much it is? Minus 500
500.
is equal to 0. Is it clear? Is there any other forces?
No, sir.
No. So that so find out the value of RC. RC is equal to, I will transfer this 500 to and on the right hand side. So plus 500 plus 250 sin 30 is half. Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, divided by sin 60. Okay, calculate the value of RC. So calculate the value of RC. RC is equal to how much?
644.33.
Yes, sir.
RC is equal to
644.33.
64. No, once again check it. First do. So 500 plus 250 divided by 2. Okay, वो पहले करो, बाद में ही करो.
सर 433 से आएगा क्या?
4 नहीं.
433.01.
No. 720 something you will get.
Okay.
See, 250 into 1 by 2 करो पहले. 122.5.
721.68.
Plus 500. Okay, पहले वो करो, बाद में डिवाइड बाय sin 60 करो. 500 plus 250 divided by 2. See, first you have to do that is 250 divided by 2 करने का 122.5 आएगा. Next plus 500 करो, प्लस बाद में होल डिवाइड बाय sin 60 करने का. कितना आया?
721.68.
Yes, correct. 721.68 correct.
Yes, sir.
721.68.
Yes, sir.
See, this is just a simple calculation, no? Don't commit mistakes. Okay, just simple calculation है इसमें. It is not a big one. So आराम से करने का 1 by 1 करो. 250 divided by 2 करने का पहले. Next plus 500 करने का. Next whole आंसर को divided by sin 60 करने का. एट ए टाइम किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? आपको गलत आंसर मिलेगा. Is it clear? सब लोग आ रहे हैं आंसर 721?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It means this is the correct answer. Next is what? Tell me. Next, what you have to find out? Next, what do we have to find out?
RD.
RD. So how to find out the value of RD? How to find out this RD value? Okay. So I will apply this sigma Fy. Okay. That is sigma Fx. So apply sigma Fx value. So here क्या apply किया था? Sigma Fy apply किया ना? So now what I will apply? I will write here sigma Fx is equal to 0. Okay. Sigma Fx में क्या क्या आएगा? Consider this one. This is RD plus RD minus RD.
Plus I.
Plus आएगा.
Next RC का x component. RC का x component क्या plus or minus?
Minus.
Negative. Why negative?
Left
It is
hand
negative
side.
left hand direction. Okay. What is the component value? RC
RC cos 60.
cos 60. Yes. Next, there is RB. RB is moving in which direction?
Left side.
Left
Again
side. So
left.
that is minus. I will write 250
30 cos.
cos 30.
30.
Okay. Is it vertical weight is acting downward? Will you write horizontal component?
No.
No, sir.
Not necessary. Okay. So इनमें से RD I need to find out. RD is equal to. Okay. I will transfer this 250 on the right other side. So 250 cos 30. Okay. I will transfer this also plus RC. RC का value कितना है? RC cos 60. Okay. So 250 cos 30 मतलब कितना है? √3 by 2 plus RC कितना आ गया? 721.68 divided by cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2, correct? Okay, calculate all of you.
Sir 577 आएगा.
Yes, 577.
577.30.
Yes, 34 Newton. So these are the answers. So next, what you have to do? You have to write results. So results में क्या है लिखने का? Results में so normal support reaction. You can write normal reactions. Normal reactions. So your RA value, RB value, RC value, and RD value. Okay, all these answers you have to write it. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
किसी को
Yes,
doubt
sir.
है क्या? So how to solve this one? Again, I will repeat. Once again, I will repeat करते. Concentrate करो. Okay. Whenever there are two cylinders are given in the problem, okay, at that time you have to select one cylinder. You have to select one cylinder in such a way that, okay, that is subjected to only three forces. Or three forces may two must be unknown and one should be known. Okay, so this is cylinder one and this is cylinder two. Okay, in this cylinder one may there is one reaction. There is one reaction and there is one weight. Three forces. In three forces में this is unknown, this is unknown. Okay. Coming to the cylinder 2. इसमें से RB, RC, RD. Okay, and weight. This cylinder is subjected to four forces. This is three forces, correct? So I will consider first one cylinder. So first cylinder I have considered. There is RB, there is RA, and this is weight. So weight is known. This RB and RA I can find out with the help of Lami's theorem. Okay, so whenever these two cylinders are same, the contact reaction hai na, this is also making same angle with that of the plane angle. This jo reaction hai, this reaction is making a same angle as that of the plane angle. Plane ka angle kitna hai?
30 there.
30 degree. Hence the reaction is also making an angle. How much it is? It is 30 degree. Okay, so this contact reaction, okay, normal reaction na, this reaction is making an angle how much? That is always 90 minus your plane angle. Either plane angle 30 tha, either 60 aa gaya. Okay, so I will draw the free body diagram first. This is RA, this is RB, this is weight of the cylinder. This RA ka angle 60 degree, RB ka angle 30 degree. I will redraw this one. Okay, redraw karte. So this is how you will find out by applying Lami's theorem. Is it clear? ये 150 कैसे आ गया, 120 कैसे आ गया, सभी को clear है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't want all the top students. That is who is not understood. I want those students. सभी को. I am hearing only few students. 4-5 students का आवाज आ रहा है. दूसरे लोग. There are 50 students. सभी को clear आ गया. 120 कैसे आ गया, 130 कैसे आ गया, 90 कैसे आ गया? Is there any doubt? किसी को doubt है क्या? Roll number 50, 45, 40, clear है? Huh? Yes. You have to unmute and tell. Okay, whenever I ask the questions. Okay, RB is found, RA is found by applying which rule? Lami's theorem. Okay, so consider next is cylinder FB of cylinder 2. So in this cylinder 2 में कितने forces हैं? One is RB, one is RC, weight, and one is RD. There are four forces. So I will redraw like this. This is RD is going in this direction. Weight is acting downward direction. RB, RC. Okay. So this is how many forces are applied? There are four forces. Will you apply the Lami's theorem to this cylinder?
No, sir.
No. Why you are not applying?
तीन चाहिए सर.
Okay. In order to apply the Lami's theorem, there should be only three forces. Here there are four forces. Hence, Lami's theorem we cannot apply. Okay. I will go by applying the equilibrium conditions. So, what are the equilibrium conditions for the concurrent force system? Sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0. So, ये इनमें दोनों इक्वेशन में कौन सा इक्वेशन पहले यूज करने का? वो इक्वेशन से हमको अननोन फाइंड आउट करने का. ओके, ऐसे. सो सिग्मा fx सिलेक्ट किया तो सिग्मा एफ rd इज अननोन, rc का x कंपोनेंट है, rc इज आल्सो अननोन. दो अननोन है, एक ही इक्वेशन से सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन फर्स्ट दिस इक्वेशन. आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
equation find out करके sigma fy आया लेके. So sigma fy में rc का y component. Next, I know rb, I know w, so that I will get the value of rc. So once if you are finding the value of rc, then go and substitute in sigma fx equation. Okay, sigma fx equal to rd. So this is you have to write and substitute the value of rc here. Okay, so that you will get the value of rd. After finding the value of RD, substitute all this in result, normal reactions, RA, RC, and RD. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
किसी को doubt है क्या?
Yes, sir.
This is very very important. ऐसे problems exam को आ सकते हैं. Okay. Have you written all this up to this much RA, RC, and result? Have you written? Have you written or no?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
right. Okay, right. All of you read. First, okay, this much RA and RB you have written, no? This one. Up to this
Yes.
much you have written in the last class. Now consider free body diagram of cylinder 2. Draw this diagram and first write the sigma Fy and next sigma Fx.
हो गया सर.
Yes.
No, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
1 मिनट सर, 1 मिनट.
Written first. You have to once again practice these problems. Okay. ऐसे एक बार क्लास में सुना है तो ऐसे नहीं छोड़ने का. After this class, so in the evening time, take the same problem. Okay, try to solve by your own. Okay, so आपको किधर तो दिक्कत आए तो प्रॉब्लम वगैरह आए तो so again you have to open the notes and you have to solve. Again, if you are getting any confusion or any doubts, you have to ask me. Okay, you have to contact me.
Yes sir.
Yes, all of you have taken. Everyone.
Yes sir, हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Can I check randomly? All of you. किसको
Yes,
check
sir.
करने का? Roll number 32. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. turn on your video and show it to me. How much you have written? Show your notebook. Show your notebook page. Notebook. Have you brought pro circle? Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. ठीक है. प्रो सर्कल लेके आए आप सब लोग. प्रो सर्कल मैंने बोला था प्रो सर्कल लेने के लिए.
Yes, sir.
Have you brought or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is available in the stationery shop. Okay, that is book stall. You can get it. Okay. Can we go for next problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you written? Yes. Roll number 31. Have you written? 31. Samir.
Yes.
Okay. Switch off your camera. Right done. Next problem. Problem number 2. कितना है? Problem number कितना है? What is the problem number?
5
Five.
hours, sir.
Five.
Right done. Question number 5.
Five, sir.
Question number 5. Okay. 5. Two cylinders of 100 Newton, 1000 Newton and 500 Newton respectively are supported by inclined plane and vertical plane as shown in figure. Full stop. The radius of cylinder A and B are 250 mm and 150 mm. 250 mm and 150 mm respectively. Find the reactions. Find the reactions at the point of contacts. At the points of contact. At the point of contacts. Point of contacts. Assume all the supports to be smooth. Assume all the surfaces are to be smooth. So he has given one figure, so you have to draw this figure also. And in the last problem, the two cylinders are weighing same weight. Now in this problem, two cylinders are different, which are weighing, one is 1000 Newton and another one is 500 Newton. So this is, and there is a cylinder. Okay. One is how much it is. Still, I want to make it large. So there is a cylinder one. So this is cylinder one. It is A. I will denote it as A. It is B. So he has given directly in the problem. Two cylinders of 1000 and 500 Newton respectively are supported by inclined plane and vertical plane as shown in the figure. The radius of cylinder A and B are 250 mm and 150 mm. Means 250 mm. This is 150 mm respectively. He has given. Okay. Find the contact surfaces. Point of contact reactions at a point of contact. Assume all the surfaces are smooth. Okay. So these are the points. So I will consider all these points. So this is one center of this cylinder. This is center of the cylinder. See, now consider the plane angle is given. The plane angle is given. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Have you written this much?
Yes, sir.
Sab log, all of you have written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't write anything. Okay. There is a small thing you have to understood. See, initially what was the same problem tha, but this cylinder and this both cylinders were same tha. Okay. When the both the cylinders both the cylinders are same, the diameter or the radius is same tha. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
In that condition, so in that condition, the reaction on the contact surfaces, ये दोनों की जो reaction था ना, this was making an angle same angle as that of the plane angle था उधर, correct? So when this is the say these two cylinders are same, then the reaction is making same as that of the initial cylinder. Okay, that is plane angle. In this case, it is not same; it is slightly larger. Consider. So instead of B cylinder, so a pink cylinder रखा है ना, ऐसे रखा था. So इसका रोल कैसे रहते देखो, reaction कैसे रहते? So this ना मैंने जो pink line draw किया ना, this is same as that of the plane angle रहते हैं. When instead of this angle, okay, this, okay. So now cylinder become small. Initially the reaction was like this. Now the reaction is like this. Is it same and making same angle or less than or a plane angle or more than the plane angle?
Change हो गया.
Less than
plane angle.
change हो गया ना? Change हो गया क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Initially the इसका center इधर था, इसका center इधर था. So this was plane. It is same as that of plane angle था. Now the cylinder center is shifted to this side, small size. It is this is the reaction. Means this is not 45O. Okay, a 45 नहीं हो. 45 नहीं हो. This is less than 45O. Correct है? सभी को एक clear हो
Yes,
गया?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
एक ऐसे clear होने के बाद next topic आएगा इधर. So first what I will draw? I will draw a line from this side. Okay. Now I will draw another line here. So now tell me. So this is O1. I will take this is O1 center. First cylinder. This is O2 center. Okay. So I will take this is. I will take this is B point. I will take this is C point. Okay. This is angle between these two how much? This is 90. This is 90.
90.
Okay. So I will take one more. I'll draw like this. Okay. I will construct one parallelogram. Is it okay? So O2C. So I will take this point is M point. I will take this point is M point. So O2C is equal to BM. Is it correct? O2C is equal to BM. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the value of O2C? O2C क्या value क्या है? That is radius of the cylinder to radius of the cylinder.
150 mm.
It is 150. It is 150 mm is given. Then I want to find out O1 M. So can you tell me O1 M? O1M is equal to O1B
C plus
1B minus
minus
150.
PM.
150.
O1B कितना है? O1B, that is radius of the first cylinder. 250
250.
minus 150. That is equal to
150.
O1M is equal to how much it is? 100.
150.
100.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
O1M आ गया. So now what I will do? I will join these two. O1 to O2. I will join this one. Okay. Now this is making an angle. This is alpha. I'll write it is. This is alpha. I'll write here. Okay. Alpha. Okay. I want to find out this alpha. What is the angle here? How much it is?
9.
90 degree.
90 degree.
So I want to find out alpha. How to find out alpha? How to find out alpha? Sin alpha. Sin alpha is equal to. Sin alpha is equal to. What will apply? O1M divided by O1 O2. Okay. Now tell me what is O1 O2 कितना है? O1 O2 कितना है? O1 O2. The cylinder R1 radius plus R2 radius, correct?
Yes.
R1 का first
Yes,
radius
sir.
कितना है? That is 250 plus 150. How much it is? 400. So O1M कितना है? O1M is this is 100. O1 O2 that is 400. How much it is? 400. So calculate the value of alpha. Calculate
1 by
alpha. How much?
0.25.
Alpha sin inverse of answer करो. Sin inverse of answer. Calculate. Is it correct?
20.
Sin inverse of 1 by
47.
Huh?
Yes. 14.47.
Is it correct? No answer.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the answer that you have to find out. Now, so how much it is making an angle with respect to alpha, you have to find out. Okay. So that is, I will draw this is alpha. Okay. This is horizontal angle. So this is the horizontal. This is alpha. Okay. This is alpha. So when sorry, this is theta. Okay. This is theta. This is theta. So this is a reaction. This is equal to this angle. Okay. This is equal to this angle. मैंने जो रेड लेटर लिखा है ना, that is equal to theta. Okay. Theta. Just a minute. I will enlarge कर दो. Okay. So this is theta, correct? So what about this? This is alpha. Okay. So now my aim is to find out the theta value because this reaction is making an angle theta with respect to horizontal. ये theta find out करने का. So in order to find out the value of theta, what you have to do? You have to take this is vertical. Okay. What is the angle made by the vertical to this much? ये angle कितना रहता? This is how much? It is equal to
उतना रहेगा 45 जितना
45.
45.
So, हमने पिछले एक बार एक सेंटेंस लिखा था, देखो प्लेन एंगल with horizontal is equal to reaction angle. Okay, reaction angle with vertical plane ऐसे लिखा था ना. So this is reaction, this is the reaction with vertical, that is 45 होगा. Now I want to determine theta value. So how to determine theta is equal to? Yes, theta is equal to total कितना रहता है इधर? Total कितना रहता है? Total is equal to 90 degree.
90 रहेगा
90 degree. 90 degree से minus 45 करो. Minus 45. Minus your alpha value करो. Minus alpha. That is 90 degree minus 45 minus alpha is how much? 14.47.
0.4.
14.47. So calculate the value of theta. Calculate the value of theta. Theta is equal to
30.5.
yes 30.53.
53.
Okay, 30.53 degrees. So this is what your theta value. You have to take this one for the calculation. Okay, see, whenever the cylinders are same, at that time kitna rehta tha theta value? Cylinders same rahe to the theta will be as that of the plane angle. Whenever there is a difference in the cylinders, you have to calculate the theta value. Okay, so this is a small trick you have to follow. So how to follow this one? So first what you have to do, you have to consider make a one rectangle. Okay, ये rectangle से एक triangle बनाने का, उनमें से क्या चाहिए आपको? Base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse calculate. So from that you have to calculate sin alpha. Sin alpha आ गया, but sin alpha is means only this much आ गया. मेरे को theta चाहिए. Theta means total is 90 minus your plane angle minus alpha किया तो आपको 30 theta मिलेगा. Okay, this is tricky. You have to refer this one. You have to go through once again. Okay, this solution you will come to know. Okay, after calculating the theta value, it is simple. Okay, very simple because already you have solved the same problem. Next, what I have to do? Tell me. Next, क्या करने का? Yes, what is next step? Consider.
Lam is 0.
Consider first. Consider cylinder. Which cylinder? First कौन सा है? First कौन सा है?
बड़ा वाला.
वाह, सी बड़ा वाला और छोटा वाला.
No
सर मतलब अंदर की तरफ से फर्स्ट है, बाहर की तरफ से फर्स्ट.
एक मिनट मैंने क्या बोला था? You have to select a one cylinder which is subject to least number of forces. बड़ा वाला पर कितना contact surface है? 1 2 3 weight is 4 हो गया. So छोटा वाला पर कितना है? 3. So consider cylinder B. Cylinder B. Okay, so now apply the forces. How many forces are subjected? Next, what are the forces? RB, correct? This is RB. You can take. So this is RB reaction. Okay. Next, there is a RC. RC is this one. RC. Again, there is a weight. Correct? No? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's go. Next, what is the value of RC? RC is making an angle how much? This is RC, correct? This is RC. This is making an angle how much it is?
45.
This
45.
This is also 45.
45.
So this is 45. 45. This is what? I will take this is reaction 1. Okay. I will take this is reaction 1. R1 I will take. So this R1 is making an angle how much? That is theta. Theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to 30.53. 53. Okay, so I will draw like this. So same figure I will draw by considering the Lam's theorem. Okay, so this is one, and one more. It is acting downward direction. Now calculate the value this one. So this is how much? That is R1. R1 कितना था? 30.53 with respect to vertical. That is 90. 90 plus 30.153. How much it is?
120.53.
120.53. Okay, next this one RC with respect to horizontal कितना था? 45 था. With respect to vertical 90 plus 45, that is 135. Then remaining angle 360 minus 135 minus 120 करो, ये एंगल मिलेगा आपको 75.53.
Yes, sir.
ओके 75.53 मतलब इसका एंगल प्लस इसका एंगल दोनों ऐड किया तो एक एंगल आएगा. इज इट करेक्ट? नो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So weight is how much? Weight is 500 Newton. So apply Lam's theorem. Apply Lam's theorem. Apply करो. So how will you apply? First one R1. Tell me R1 divided by
Sin 135.
Sin 135. Next R2 divided by so R2 नहीं RC है. Okay.
120.53.
Sin of 120.53. Next, weight is
W.
500 now. Okay, 500 divided by 75. Sin of 75.53. Okay, so in missing, consider any 2 points. Consider any 2 points. I will consider first and last. So R1 divided by sin of 135 is equal to 500 divided by sin of 75.53. So I will get R1 value. So next, consider RC divided by sin of 120.53. So is equal to 500 divided by sin of 75.53. So calculate the value of RC and R1.
सर वहाँ पे 75.53 कैसा है सर? वो 104 आना चाहिए था ना?
ये 104 आता है क्या?
हाँ सर,
4 आता है सर.
104.47
फिर मैं वो पूछा था ना कितना आएगा ये आंसर.
क्योंकि 53 आया था सर, वो इक्वल हो जाएगा, 106 को पहुंचेगा.
हाँ, अभी ये आंसर अलग है ना.
हाँ सर,
हाँ, टेल मी दैट आंसर. आई डोंट नो.
104.47.
हाँ, you should tell me. That is 104.47.
47.
Okay. Then you have to change here. Okay, correct, good. Okay, whenever there is a correction, you have to tell me. That is 104.47. Okay, 47. This is 104.47. Correct, है ना?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
हाँ. What is the value of R1? R1 कितना आ रहेगा?
365.13.
Yes, 365.13. Correct. Next, RC. Calculate the value of RC.
सर 599 आएगा, 599.49.
599. Check it once again. सभी का दूसरों का 444.79 किसी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
444.79.
Yes, correct. 444.79.
79.
Yes, correct. 79. Check करो. Okay.
447.
So this is R1. This is RC. Okay. So from the cylinder 1, R1 find out कर दिया, RC find out कर दिया. Next, from the cylinder 2, RB, and I will take this is D point. Okay, I will take it as D point. B होगा ना इधर. So RB and RD I have to find out. Okay, how to find out RB and RD? How to find out? We have to apply. Just tell me what I need to apply. We have to apply the equilibrium conditions. So
Equilibrium condition.
so this is a cylinder. Okay, what is the forces? So this is one force. Okay, next one more is what? So there is R1 again. There is RB. Okay, R1 is, so this is R1. R1 is acting like it. Then weight is acting downward direction. And there is a one force R1. Okay, so I will just write it. This is R1. This is RD. Okay, this is how much? This is RC na RB. This is weight. Weight is how much? 1000 Newton. Okay, this R1 is making an angle. How much it is with respect to horizontal? How much it is? It is theta. Theta is equal to 34. कितना था? 30.53. 30.53. Okay, then this is our horizontal. This RB is making an angle with respect to horizontal, that is 45. Okay, weight is known. R1 also you have calculated. What is the value of R1?
365.13.
365.13. Okay, Newton. You know R1, you know weight, you don't know RD and RB. So what you will do?
FX वाले लेंगे,
Okay,
मतलब
FX.
हमें उसका एक
So-
पता नहीं है।
Cement shape.
So I will write like this. So this is RD. Okay. Then there is a vertical force, weight, and there is a RB is passing. So this is RB is passing like this, and R1 is passing like this. R1 is passing like this. Okay. So next, I will write all the values. So this is R1. R1 with respect to horizontal, that is 30.53, 30.53. This is R1. This is RD. This is weight, that is 1000 Newton. That is RB. RB with respect to horizontal, it is 45 degree. Okay. So apply equilibrium. Apply equilibrium conditions. Okay. Now see, fx consider किया तो RB भी आएगा, RD भी आएगा. Okay. This is RB है. RB भी आएगा, RD भी आएगा. So what I will consider? Sigma Fy is equal to 0. Sigma Fy. So first इसका vertical component plus or minus? Plus
Plus में
RB sin 45. Okay. Next R1 downward direction minus
minus
R1 cos sin
sin
30.53. Okay. Next minus 1000. So equal to 0. So from this you will get the value of RB. Okay. Calculate afterwards. Okay. R1 is known. We have to calculate R. Then apply sigma fx is equal to 0. Okay. Sigma fx apply करने का RD. Next plus RB के x component plus or minus.
minus
Okay. So this is minus RB cos 45. Okay.
45.
R1 का x component minus R1 cos 30.53. Next is nothing, 0. So you know RB, you know R1, you have to calculate RD value. Okay. So I will discuss these answers in the next class. Is it clear, this problem? So it is similar to as that of your previous problem. Okay. But just a change is this theta value. Okay. If you calculate theta, it is rest is same. Up to finding the theta value only, it is difficult. That is different. Okay. This concept you have to understand. सभी को clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So rest part I will take. So if you want to write, you can write it. I'll take the attendance. I have taken, no? So that time.
sir
Yes. Tell me.
so page दाखवा ना.
कौन सा? Is it not visible?
problem का marks
Problem. हाँ यही है. You are not written ना? नहीं लिखे ना? Okay. Write down. Only 1 minute. I'll take the screenshot. Time नहीं अभी time हो गया. 8 roll number 8. 17. 26. 38. 49. 56. 63 present, 64 absent. Okay. Option number 8, 17, 26, 38, 49, 56. Okay. I will continue in the 3 to 4 lecture. Okay. Afterwards, I will continue the 3 to 4 lecture.
Weight is present.
8 is present. Huh? Okay. Absent number 17, 26, 38, 49, 56, 64. Okay. Have you written this one? लिख रहे क्या?
स्क्रीनशॉट घेतलं sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sir,
Take down
screenshot
screenshot. Okay, screenshot because already time up. Okay, 2:05. Okay, next class teacher meeting करें. Okay, okay. I will wind up now. You can be
Hello.
take the screenshot. You can attend the next lecture. I will take 3 to 4 lecture. Okay.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir is here, sir.
Okay, tell me, sir.
Sir. No,
Can-
sir. Wait, 1 minute. I have to give an instruction, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
Lecture will start at 2:10. Okay, after 5 minutes. Okay.
Sir, because of me, you are
Okay.
delaying by 10 minutes.
Yes. It
Okay.
will start at 2:10. Sure.
Okay, others can take the screenshot and all.